The Supreme Court of India on Tuesday observed that the issue raised in a petition challenging certain provisions of Muslim personal law highlights the need for a uniform civil code in the country. The remarks were made by a bench headed by Chief Justice Surya Kant along with Justice Joymalya Bagchi and R. Mahadevan while hearing a plea that alleged the Muslim Personal Law Application Act 1937 allows discrimination against Muslim women, particularly in matters of inheritance. During the hearing, the bench noted that if the court were to strike down the Shariat inheritance law, it could create a legal vacuum because there is currently no statutory legislation governing Muslim inheritance. Chief Justice Surya Kant remarked that such situations strengthen the argument for a uniform civil code that would provide a common set of civil laws for all citizens. Justice Joymalya Bagchi also pointed out that certain social practices such as the rule of one wife for one man are not applied uniformly across all communities. However, he said that addressing such differences requires legislative action rather than judicial intervention, emphasizing that courts must defer to Parliament to implement the directive principles of the Constitution. Senior advocate Prashant Bhushan, representing the petitioners, argued that the court could declare the Muslim women are entitled to equal inheritance rights as men. He suggested that if the provisions of the Shariat Act are struck down, the Indian Succession Act 1925 could apply to Muslim inheritance cases. The bench also questioned whether courts can examine the constitutionality of personal law practices. In response, Bhushan cited the landmark judgment in the Shayara Bano v. Union of India case in the year 2017, where the Supreme Court declared the practice of instant triple talaq unconstitutional. The petition in the present case has been filed by Poulomi Pavini Shukla and others. The court allowed the petitioners to amend their plea and posted the matter for further hearing after 4 weeks, noting that it involves an important constitutional issues.